Hello, I am Devika Rajendran, a recent graduate with a bachelor's degree in computer application. Currently, I am immersed in a Python-based data science internship at Srishti Innovative, where I am gaining invaluable experience in data analysis and machine learning. Let me highlight some of the projects I have had the privilege to work on. One of them is face recognition system, a collaborative effect within my internship team. Working on this project not only expanded my technical skill but also taught me the importance of teamwork and communication in our goals. During my college year, I was part of a team that developed a food waste reduction app. This project was particularly meaningful as it addressed a pressing social issue while honing my coding abilities and project management skills. Beyond my technical abilities, I pride myself on being hardworking, honest, and responsible, and I am driven to deliver high quality results within the specified time frame. Thank you for taking this time to learn a bit about me. I am eager to contribute these quantities to make a positive impact in this company.